Hello everybody and welcome back to another video on the Boat Marketplace YouTube channel. Today we are in Essex Marina. We're with boats.co.uk and they have got a range of Parker boats here. So today we're going to do a quick video on a comparison between the 7 metre and the 8.5 metre Parker boats. So to start off with, we're sat on board the 7 metre. I'll give you a quick tour of this one. It's a 2019 model. And it is currently priced at 53,000 roughly, and like I said, that is with boats.co.uk. So if I give you a quick spin round from where I was sat, that takes us into a wonderful seating area actually. But the big benefit about this is the table got nice cup holders, perfect for dining in the evening. However, that will lower down. I believe there's an infill cushion, so that actually turns into a bed. Now it's all very practical at the moment, the way it's laid out. However, when you get going, this seat moves like so. That creates a little bit more seating area for the person up front, the driver sat at the helm. He's got his bolster seat, as you can see here, and it's only a single engine, single outboard engine. I'll show you that in a second with the Simrad screen. It even looks like it's got a bow thruster on board with the electric anchor, which I will again show you in a second. What we'll do is we'll make our way up towards the front. So there's no wet bar or anything on board this boat. So what they have done is they put a sink here with a folding tap, and that is your grill right there. So that's a fantastic use of space just to make up for the lack of wet grill. But because it's only a 7 metre, you really want to utilise all the space you've got. And what they have done is they've gone for a full beam to beam use of the cockpit area. So what that means is you can't walk down the sides if you want to go up the front. So you'll see the steps going up here. If I take you for a quick wander up the front, straight through the windscreen, and this is where that electric anchor is. I'll give you a quick spin round, and that's what the boat looks like at the moment. It's got a bimini top up, that all folds back, all the covers come off. It makes for a fantastic day boat. But if you do want a little bit of protection from the sun, you've got it with that bimini cover. However, we talk about a day boat, but it has got a bed on board. Do excuse the infill cushions, but it's got a well-sized bed on board, even a mirror in the back there. And you'll also notice, if I give you a quick spin to the right, it even has a toilet on board. So I think it's very well designed for this size of boat. That is absolutely fantastic. So we'll stand up and we'll make our way back towards the back. Now, we showed you that cushion that moved earlier, it does the exact same on the back as well, which, if I give it a quick pull, sorry, I'm only doing this one-handed here with the camera in my other hand, but there we go. That creates a lovely bench seat looking straight out the back, and what that is, I think, perfect for when you've got the kids on the boat. Nice sized diving platform area so they can all do the jumping in, and that gives you a nice spectating area just looking out the back, even with the boarding ladder just down there. And like I said, we would come back to this, but that is a Mercruiser 225 outboard engine, which is plenty enough to power this boat. Well, there we go. That is a rough look through on the 7 metre. Like I said, it's with boats.co.uk in Essex Marina, currently priced around 53,000. But what we did say we were going to do a comparison. So over to our right, we've got the 850 Voyager Parker, and you'll notice a few similar features on this. So starting off, we've got the 350, because of the slightly bigger boat, just giving a little bit more power to get through the water. And again, we've got that wonderful bench seat across the back there, keeping a nice day feature. And once again, it does move just a slide to make a perfect U sofa effectively. Again, this sofa moves just to create that great big wraparound sofa. Table area, this time it doesn't move, it stays where it is, and that has a folding feature. So if you want just a little bit of day use, you got the cup holders. If not, expand it out. That turns into a fantastic entertaining or dining area, because we do have a wet bar on this boat. So just pick the handle up. Now we've got the folding sink, and this here is a fantastic preparation area. However, if I give it a quick flip up, there we go. You can see now we've got the grill, and that just slots into place. Again, making very good use of the space they have on board this boat. Lots of storage underneath, and again, you've got that single helm with the bolster seat. It's got a single engine, as you've seen on the back. It even has trim tabs on this one, just to keep you out of that wind. And again, bow thruster with the electric anchor. One feature though that this boat has more of, because it's got that little bit more room, is the great big chaise longue effectively up in the front. So that is brilliant. When you're underway, keep the captain entertained. And this is where it really shows that extra 1.5 meters of length. We've got a double sized bed. In fact, we'll take a step down. We have a double bed straight in front of us with loads of room down here, even room for your wardrobe and more storage underneath. But we even have a separate toilet with what I think is a very simple but elegant design, with that glass sink, the toilet there as well, and it even has a shower. This whole room becomes a wet room. As you can see, the toilet roll is covered there, and that's because we've got a drain down there, and that is just here. Shower comes out, so the whole thing becomes a wet room. So you even have a shower on board this boat, and it's got plenty of sleeping room, as even effectively has a mid cabin with the more sleeping area just behind the steps there. I think for that extra 1.5 meters, it really shows how much it means on a boat like this size. Now again, it's a full beam cockpit area, so there's no walking around the side. However, you got those steps straight up the middle, through the windscreen again, and that is showing how big that cabin is underneath, because that's a brilliant area. Especially when you're out at sea, you fancy just relaxing on the boat, lapping up the sun. I think that is ideal. Well, there we go. So this boat is a brand new 2024 model. It's up for around 175,000 with boats.co.uk in Essex Marina. So if you're interested in either of these boats, head over to their website. Or if you're looking for something similar, but not quite these, or you want to see anything else that's comparable, head over to boatmarketplace.co.uk. We've got plenty of stock on our website. And yeah, if you've liked this boat tour today, or this comparison tour, please do like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Goodbye.